Karo Mwaura nĩarakorirwo akĩrekereria ndũmĩrĩri ya kĩeha kũrĩa arakaragira andũ, mafans, followers ona nginya arata akiuga, "Someone rescue me please, I am not okay," and she shared a video of her in so much tears. Ahotetwo nĩ maithori mũno. The death of her father has really affected her, it has really broken her. Na arauga madoi how she will overcome this. And even a day before this, she had shared another post akiuga, "Someone pay for my vacation, nipumzishe akili, I need it so bad. Dad, I'm so hurt, I'm so broken, I'm so alone, I'm so empty. How do I get over this? Rest in eternal peace." Na rĩu mafans ake nĩmeyumĩrĩtie na njĩra nene mũno kũmũ-comfort, kũmũũmĩrĩria, kũmũhe hinya, ona nginya kũmũikia mahoya-inĩ mao. Elsie Ng'ang'a akiuga, "Ngai pole, take heart Karo." Salome Ng'endo akauga, "May God give you a very tight hug that you will feel comforted through the pain." Jane Maina, "Just trust on him, let your dad rest in peace." Edith Ndongo akiuga, "Karo, be strong and take heart. I went through this when I lost my mom in 2019. I know the pain, but please let it be in order to have peace of mind. Let your dad rest in peace and accept the fact that he's normal. Someone come and help her. It's painful." Wambui Gĩtonga akiuga, "May God comfort you with the comfort that only him can give." Jane Mwaura, "Hugs dear. May the Lord give you peace that you deserve. When you feel down, just kneel down and pray. In God's arms, there is healing. We are not supposed to cry or worry if we know how to pray. Praying for you, girl." Nake Jerry wa Karanja, "Hugs girl, no amount of words can console you. I just pray that the Lord fills in the gap because he is the only one who can." Na Irene Mugai, "Hugs dear, take it easy. May God be with you and help you overcome whatever you are going through." Ona ithuĩ tukamũikia mahoya-inĩ, may God comfort her during this difficult time. It is hard losing a dad, and we pray that God may be with her through this difficult time. Our prayers go out to you, Karo Mwaura, and your entire family. And make sure you never miss an update. Subscribe now for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news.